We are delighted to be here today, opening our new Flagship Forecourt, serving the community of Preston at Lea Gate. We have made accessing the site as easy as possible, having the provision with numerous fuel bays, as well as the provision for HGV vehicles. We also count with a large convenience store, very friendly staff, and a number of promotions. We'll be very happy with you visiting us, for you to experience at first hand everything that we have on offer for you. Our whole approach is about driving community convenience, and we have made visiting the site as easy and a valuable experience as possible by creating numerous fueling bays, provision for a HGV as well, and a large convenience store